Well, hello. I believe these are trumpeter swans, and it's a trip. I was watching them. They don't just stick their head under to hunt or eat. They actually use their feet to stir up the bottom to loosen up the critters they're after. I am at the Lorain County Sandy Ridge Metro Parks. One over there, stirring up the bottom. Well, hello there. See, it's stirring up the bottom with his feet. Another trip. Anyway, been seeing different ducks and geese and egrets and herons and swans, birds. Very cool. Started raining a little bit. Weather's crazy. Last few days when they say no rain, we get rain. Then they say rain, we don't get rain. It's just unbelievable. Certainly like a wildlife refuge, or you can call it a wetlands or a marsh. But it's a metro parks in North Ridgeville, Ohio, and haven't seen any hawks or eagles or cranes, at least not yet.